more higher education. No education. I will let them to choose how they want to learn the lesson. Like example in English, I will let them to choose either they want to learn from music, from book, from podcast, from YouTube. I will let them do that. One important skill that they have to learn is from the model that already choose by university as one already method to study or to learn.
What are the biggest challenges facing higher education today?
Biggest challenge? Yes. It's the same with the first question or the second question. The challenge. In my point of view, the challenge is still about cross generation, especially in Z generation, and also we have to catch up the technology development, yeah, especially when they visit in the university. So all the citizens have to know about the technology, like learning model system, and then how they use the application, something like that. It's the digital these days.
Last question. Do you think everyone should go to college?
Do you think
Everyone should
go to college? Study is a basic needs, yeah. Education is a basic needs for people, but how they want to reach the level, it's dependent on people. Like people in mindset, they will think education is their passion, especially when they want to put in their names, that they can get more education. But if some people think that education is not very important, I can learn from any kind of methods daily, like internet, using books, yeah, we can also be important. So, but I still think that as a nation, government should have wise policy that they can provide education for their society.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Good luck with this, yeah?
Three, okay, it's okay, three, okay. I call you three.
What do you think about
Unpam is a good university because Unpam has accommodated public needs by giving low cost, but low cost without ignoring the quality. So many students from Aceh, Papua, and the others come here to learn and getting knowledge, also experience.
Okay. Next question.
Yes.
What is the importance of education in shaping a person?
Education is very important, but there are two kinds of education activities, informal and formal. We can use two channels together to improve our knowledge, because we cannot be successful only to master the knowledge without experience, but experience is also important. Okay.
Question, yeah. What makes a good teacher?
What mean?
What makes a good teacher?
Oh, you mean how to become a good teacher? Okay. The first, you should master your knowledge as a teacher, your profession. Because without profession, a good profession, you cannot be accepted by the student or your organization where you teach the students. So you must be a competent teacher by having skill, okay, knowledge, and attitude. So you can join in certification program to get teacher certification, is that right? It's also for bonus, yeah, because if someone has teacher certificate will be appreciated by special benefit, yeah, in rupiah, right? Okay.
Why is critical thinking important in learning?
Oh, of course, because we should think by using our thinking, because God give us the instrument, yeah, for thinking. Use our brain, use our heart, open our mind, open our heart to receive the change of the world, the change of knowledge, and anything in our environment, in our social environment.
What do you think is the biggest challenge in teaching university?
Okay, the first, as a lecturer in university, we should understand what we give the students. I mean the subject like economy and others. Okay, we should master the material first, and then second, we should know how to teach, how to influence the student to understand what we give to them. Okay, psychological, psychology as psychology approach. We should do psychological approach to the students to understand and to receive what we give for them.
Thank you, Bang Del.
You're welcome.
What do you think about Unpad? Unpad itu suatu universitas yang sudah sangat-sangat bagus dan berkembang ya. Dan setahu saya sudah dari zamannya tahun 2010 atau kurang dari tahun segitu ya. Masalah Universitas Pamulang ini universitas yang sangat baik, sangat baiknya karena memang ingin merangkul semua mahasiswa dari berbagai kalangan usia profesional. Jadi sehingga universitas harus melakukan yang istilahnya semua semua kuliah di cabang pasti bisa kuliah di sini. Memang niatnya dulu tuh niatnya pada sekolah memang ingin merangkul yang utama yang memang mahasiswa dari kalangan itu sangat-sangat baik sekali. Dan pasti bisa ada lagi. What do you think is the biggest challenge in teaching university student? And the biggest challenge is what the challenge tantangan terbesar mahasiswa. Ya, tantangan terbesar untuk mahasiswa menurut saya ini teknologi ya. Karena teknologi itu seiring dengan perkembangan